LZH480. This is the blind head version of a tank cooled model, I guess. Just taking the spark plug out. Right, I'll have a quick look at the governor because it wasn't quite moving properly. So there's a little aid memoir. You need to make sure that when these forks go back, it will push the carb down. Now the pivot's not in at the moment because I haven't got the bolt for it, but push the forks in. Make sure it pushes that little capstan all the way down. Cinch that nut up. Alright, because in here is a shaft that passes straight through here. And as you can see, that does that. Okay, next up is a set of thrusts. These aren't in too bad a nick. They go on next, making sure that flat side goes in towards the forks. This top hat section here, right, with this diameter sticking at the top, or a boss, that sticks outwards from the crankcase. So that goes on next. Nicey nicey. Then comes the governor weights. Okay, make sure they're all squeezed in. Got a bit of a bruise on this shaft somewhere, I've got to find that. Right, collet. Plate. Okay, so push the forks back, make sure this yoke forces that carb capstan down. Once you've got the good reach on it, cinch this bolt and nut off here, because that way you know you definitely got the travel coming from the governor. Thrusts with the boss facing towards me or outside of the crankcase. Governor weights, collar, crankcase cover. Alright, and if anybody's got a magneto for one of these, preferably with a starting dog, I'd appreciate it if someone gave me a shout. This one's lost his magneto at some point. Thank you very much, bye bye.